What if your car breaks down tomorrow? Or a medical bill shows up unexpectedly, and you don't have $1,000 saved? For millions of Americans, this is a real situation. Today, we're breaking down a simple and realistic plan that shows how people in the United States save their first $1,000 faster than they expect, using facts, habits, and clarity.
This video is not financial advice. There is no product, no app, and no investment being promoted. This is purely educational content based on common financial behavior in the United States. Let's clearly understand how saving $1,000 actually works. In the United States, surveys consistently show that a large portion of adults struggle to cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing money. That's why many financial educators consider the first $1,000 the most important milestone, not because it makes you rich, but because it creates breathing room, it reduces stress, it prevents panic decisions, and it builds confidence. The plan itself is very simple. It has 3 realistic parts. 1. Control where money leaks out. 2. Build a consistent saving habit. 3. Use time and small actions to your advantage. No extreme lifestyle changes, just awareness and consistency. Most Americans don't fail at saving because they don't earn enough. They fail because money disappears quietly. Things like eating out multiple times a week, unused subscriptions, impulse purchases, convenience spending. When people track their spending for just 1 month, they often discover hundreds of dollars going to non-essential items. Redirecting even a portion of that money can make a big difference without feeling deprived.
The most consistent savers in the U.S. use one powerful idea. They save first, not last. That means money is moved to savings automatically before it has a chance to be spent. When saving becomes automatic, willpower is no longer required. Progress happens quietly, week after week. Saving $1,000 does not require a huge one-time deposit. For example, $50 per week for 20 weeks, $34 per week for about 7 months, or even small daily amounts over time. What matters is consistency, not speed. Many Americans reach this goal faster than expected simply because small actions compound. To stay motivated, many people use simple savings challenges. Examples include no-spend weeks, envelope or jar challenges, setting specific savings targets. These methods work because they make progress visible, and visible progress feels rewarding. The key takeaway is this: saving is not about perfection. It's about awareness, it's about intention, and it's about giving yourself options when life happens. Even modest savings can reduce financial stress and increase control. Saving your first $1,000 is not a shortcut to wealth, but it is a powerful foundation. If this video helped you understand how people in the U.S. approach this goal, you'll find more clear and fact-based financial insights here on MoneyFact USA.